You know the hadith of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, where he says there was a man who achieved forgiveness and ultimate paradise as a result of quenching the thirst of a dog. Because he was out on a hot day, he went into a well and he got water for himself. He was very thirsty. When he came up, he saw a dog that was panting and sniffing at the sand because it was so thirsty. And he said to himself, look at this dog. It is as thirsty as I was. Let me go into the well again, fill my shoe with water because I don't have anything to put water in. Let me come up and let me give the dog a little bit of water. And he gave the dog some water, and Allah watched him and Allah forgave him. That man achieved ultimate paradise. If you think very carefully, why a dog? Why a dog? Why wasn't it a beautiful girl? Wow, the man came up and saw a lovely lady. And he said, let me go and quickly get you water. Because if it was a lady, there was going to be a wrong intention maybe, right? You know, maybe he saw, it's like they say, when you're driving, I don't know about Zanzibar, but I know about Zimbabwe, right? When you're driving, if a man gets stuck with a flat tire, he will be stopping the people all afternoon, no one will stop. But when a young lady is stuck with a flat tire, 30 guys will fight as to who must fix that tire, right? Why? Let's hope it's a good intention, but in actual fact, you and I know it's because they want to win the heart of someone whom they don't even need to win the heart of. Subhanallah, go home and win the heart of your own spouse, man. Allahu Akbar, may Allah make it easy. Allah make it easy. But it happens. So here there was a dog. Imagine if such a great reward for quenching the thirst of a dog. What do you think the reward is to quench the thirst of another human? You don't agree with them, you don't see eye to eye with them, you don't even want to look at them, but because you have compassion in your heart, you decided, you know what, they deserve the water they need to live. Life is important, life is sacred. I'm a Muslim. I believe the life of the non-Muslims is also sacred. All human beings, the life is sacred. You don't just harm and take life away. No, that's not permissible in the Sharia, in Islam. Allah does not allow that. Allah tells you when you save the life of a dog or you quench the thirst of a dog, you will get a reward. Imagine what will be the reward when you quench the thirst of another human. Subhanallah. Subhanallah. Are we ready to help each other without knowing each other? Are we ready to reach out to people whom we don't know? Are we ready to reach out to those whom we disagree with? At least talk to them. At least get along with them. It will help you in so many ways. At least if you want to discuss some matters, discuss them respectfully. If you are prepared to do that, you will achieve a lot. If you are not prepared to do that, how will you grow? How will you develop? Who caused that person to come alive? Was it not the same maker who made you? Yes, it was. Who brought you on earth at the same time as that person? Was it not Allah? Today I am here. I am living in this era. You are also living in the same era. Who made me live at a similar time as you? Was it not Allah? It's Allah. So I am here, mashallah. The interaction needs to be something worth remembering. When someone meets you, make it a beautiful experience. When someone greets you, smile at them. Give them a good word. Say something. Let them remember that forever. They will remember